What if missing a deadline was the best career move you ever made? Maria was a senior architect at Preston and Associates, racing against time on the biggest project of her career. The Henderson Tower design was due in 3 days, and landing this client meant a guaranteed partnership track. But Jake, the new hire everyone wanted fired, was struggling with his first assignment. While her colleagues worked late perfecting their own projects, Maria spent hours teaching Jake the basics. Her partners questioned her priorities as her own work fell behind. The night before her deadline, Jake's design was still incomplete. Maria had a choice: submit her own work on time or help Jake finish his. She chose Jake. Her deadline passed. Partners were furious. But Jake's innovative solution caught the client's attention and saved a failing project. 6 months later, Maria was promoted to training director with a 50% raise. Her mentoring approach became company policy. Sometimes the biggest risk leads to the greatest reward.